So we're gonna flip it over. It didn't get the bubbles that I expected. Not as much. Oh, it looks pretty though. Bad flip, but the pancake itself looks nice. The pancake is not fully set. I'm gonna try using a different spatula. Okay, so we see some holes. I got a spatula with a bigger mouth. I'm trying to flip it. All right, bigger mouth spatula for the win. That's a pretty pancake. Sling crystalling around the edges, just how I love it. Love it. Okay, hope you can see me clearly. We'll be trying out the protein pancakes that we just did. One with maple syrup. What brand is this? Mostly. And then good old pearl milling, aka Aunt Jemima. So just give it a whirl. Okay, the pancake seems to be a bit thick. But the shape is not bad. The texture is still a little bit spongy. And overall, seven out of 10. It's a bit dense and spongy, but I did it again. The packaging says 200 calories. Obviously, we just added syrup. Granted, it's light syrup. The light syrup says that it's 50 calories for every 2 tablespoons. That wasn't 2 tablespoons of syrup, so that's it was a little more than a tablespoon. Let's go with 2. It's not that bad. I could eat this. I'm gonna try a bit maple syrup. I'm gonna put the maple syrup kind of on this side. I have more freedom to dip. I'm still kind of getting used to the taste of maple syrup. I do love it in my smoothies though. Maple syrup and honey. Like, not a protein smoothie, but just a normal fruit smoothie. Sometimes protein. Did I mention getting used to maple syrup? I still prefer it with the pearl milling. But if you're used to maple syrup, it's not bad. I'll buy it again. So I'm gonna make a super big cup of tea and ready for the day. Ciao.